more fun. Yeah. I can't remember school much, me. I've not been to school for years. But I used to enjoy the outdoor classes. That's a third upgrade done for the monkey. No offence, but you look like you're in high school. No offence. It's okay. It's my family complexion. We all look a lot younger than what we actually are. I'm used to people thinking I'm young. I don't mind. At least when I'm like 40, I look like I'm 40. I look like I'm 30. Just I think we should go back to the future. I'm just going to do some more exploring in Ninjago because I absolutely adore the music. And then I'll go back to the future for a little bit. See if I can find any quests left that I'm not